Good morning, Red Lions. It's Friday. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good week. Hope you got your laptop if you didn't have one before and can watch our videos all the time now. Remember, tune in a couple times a week to check and see what we loaded. All right, let's do our calendar time. Let's do our days of the week. Days of the week. Uh, days of the week. Hi, Lola. You want to say hi, Lola? Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, what day is it today? It is Friday. Fun Friday. What do you have planned for Fun Friday? I am going to go outside and play outside a little bit and maybe watch a movie today. All right. What month is it? May. Good job. What's the date today? Good. It is the 8th. Let's say the whole date. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. Right? So if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Today's Friday. What was yesterday? Good. Yesterday. Oh, I dropped it. Yesterday was Thursday. What's tomorrow going to be? Good job. Tomorrow is Saturday. What season is it today? Not today, just what season is it? Yeah, it is spring. Good job. I'm going to take my sunny picture away because it's not completely sunny outside right now at my house. It is, let's put up this one. What's this one? See it? Partly sunny, partly cloudy. It's got a sun and a cloud. It's a little bit of both. All right. All right, actually, I'm going to start with this guy. All right, let's do a quick coin review before we start talking about how much each one's worth. All right, total. This is a what? Penny. Good job. What is this? Penny. Yes. All right. What is this one? Nickel. What's this one? Nickel. Good job. This is our nickel, right? Put them up together. Which one's this? Dime. Awesome. And the last coin? Quarter. Good job. All right. I'm going to hold one up. And I want you to shout out how much it's worth. What's its value? Did you say 5 cents? Hope you did, because a nickel's worth 5 cents. That's a nickel. All right. What's 10 cents? Because it's a dime. Good job. Penny worth 1 cent. What coin is that? Quarter, and it's worth 25 cents. Penny's worth 1 cent. 10 cents because it's a dime. Good job. 5 cents because it's a nickel. And the last one, quarter's worth 25 cents. Awesome. All right, let's look at my board. I'm going to have the coins represented with a letter. So what does penny start with? Penny starts with a P. So I have a P for penny. Okay. I want to talk about how much it takes to make the next coin. So for example, a penny is worth, we said, 1 cent. So if I had a dime, how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So how many pennies do I need to make a dime? If a dime's worth 10 cents and a penny's worth 1, I need 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write little P's in there. So a dime is worth 10 cents. So it takes me 10 pennies to make a dime. So this 1 dime is the same as 10 pennies. What would you rather carry in your pocket? 1 dime or 10 pennies? I'd rather carry a dime because it's not as heavy, right? 1 coin versus 10 coins. This is going to be lighter. So instead of carrying around 10 pennies, I can just carry a dime. Or if I had to pay for something that cost 10 cents, I could give them a dime instead of 10 pennies. Okay? How much is a nickel worth? Nickel starts with an N. So with an N in the middle. Nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So how many pennies do you think it takes to make, sorry guys, how many pennies does it take to make a nickel? Yeah, 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pennies is the same as 1 nickel. You see it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies or 1 nickel. What would you rather carry around now? 1 nickel, which is 5 cents, or 5 pennies? I'd rather pay with 1 nickel or carry in my pocket 1 nickel because it's a lot less heavy. Okay? The last thing we need to know is how many pennies make a quarter? How many pennies make a quarter? You think? If 5 pennies make a nickel because a nickel's 5 cents, 10 pennies make a dime because a dime is 10 cents. How many pennies are going to make a quarter? Think about how much a quarter is. Good, 25. All right, you're gonna have to help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm gonna put a P inside each one. Okay. This stands for pennies, P for penny, Q for quarter, quarter. All right, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 pennies is the same as 1 quarter because a quarter is worth 25 cents. That makes sense? Good. What would you rather carry in your pocket now? 1 quarter or 25 pennies? Definitely 1 quarter. 25 pennies is a lot of pennies in my pocket. It would be so heavy, I might fall over. Okay. I am going to share my screen with you right now. We're going to do this little activity. You're going to help me with the answers, okay? So it says identify this coin. What is this coin? Is it a penny, a nickel, a dime, or a quarter? Shout it out. Good. It's a nickel. Yay! All right, let's see if we're right. Wow, this is great. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. It says choose the coin worth 25 cents. Which one? Touch the screen. Which one's worth 25 cents? Say it as you touch it. So if you think it's the penny, say penny. If you think it's the nickel, say nickel. If you think it's the dime, say dime. If you think it's the quarter, touch the screen and say quarter. Which one's worth 25 cents? Yes, I think it's this one, the quarter, right? Let's see if we're right. Yay! There's a little monster over there in the corner. He's excited. All right, it says drag and drop the name of the coin shown below up here. What coin is that? Is it? Are you sure? I heard dime. Is this the word dime? No, what does dime start with? D. D. Here's a word D, dime. Up, let's see. Yay! Woohoo! I got it. All right. What's the value of this coin shown? What coin is this? It is? It's a nickel? And how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Remember, here's my cent sign, the C with a line. See if we're right. Yay! I'm gonna kiss my brain. You should really kiss your brains. Patting you on the head. All right, which one's the dime? It says choose the dime. I'm gonna point to a coin. If it is, shout yes. If it's not, shout no. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes. Okay. Good job. Okay. How much is this worth? What is it? It's a dime. Good. What's a dime worth? 10 cents. Good job. All right, it says to drag and sort the coins. All right, I'm going to do that right now. This one's nickel. Is this my nickel? Does this go over here under the word nickel? Oh, it doesn't? Is this the nickel? Oh, good, okay. So this says dime. Is this a dime? Yay! All right, let's see. Good job. All right, what coin is that? Penny. There's the pup. What do you hear at the beginning of P? That one's penny. Good job. Which one's worth 1 cent? 1 cent. Touch your screen. Touch the one that's worth 1 cent. Did you touch this one? Or did you touch this one? You touch this one? Or did you touch this one? Which one? Yeah, this first one, because it's a penny worth 1 cent. And how many pennies make a nickel? How many pennies make a nickel? 5 pennies make a nickel. Good. All right. What is this coin? Remember? Ah, yeah, it's a quarter and Q-U, quarter. And how much is a quarter? 25 cents. So pennies, how many pennies make a quarter? 25 cents. 25 pennies make a quarter. Good. Because it's 25 cents. All right, what's this one? What's the value of this? 10 cents. Last one. Good job. You guys did great. All right, guys, that's it for money. Keep practicing your money every day. I miss you. I love you. Mwah.